friends, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and always showing your girl love. Before we get into it, happy Thanksgiving. Okay, today is Thursday, November 24th. It's currently 12:58 p.m. and your girl is getting ready. I feel so rusty, y'all. I haven't like filmed like all the videos I've been dropping were like pretty pre-recorded because your girl has not been feeling well. I have like, when the weather changed drastically, y'all, I tend to get sinus infections and it's been kicking my butt, like, but you know, I'm fighting back, so I'm good. But that aside, that's why I haven't done like a film video, and most likely I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'm probably just going to film me getting ready, speed it up, and then at the end just kind of like talk to y'all about a few things that I'm grateful for since it's Thanksgiving, and then just kind of talk to y'all about like the importance and the power of being grateful, of being thankful, even when it's not Thanksgiving. So I'm about to pretty much like already got my fit on, what I'm wearing and stuff like that. I just need to finish my hair and do a little bit of makeup, and then we gonna talk, I guess, because I can't talk too much. Like I said, my voice is like, yeah. So we just gonna get dressed. I'm gonna put on jewelry first. I want to wear like gold jewelry. That's one. I'm gonna wear like a dash of pink with my outfit, and dang, why can't I get this on? And yeah, I'm gonna be really cute today, y'all. Oh, I should tell y'all what I'm doing too. So, going to my mama's house, as I told y'all, as I usually do, and I'm gonna hang out with my in-laws for a little bit. So this was on the lineup. I'm not feeling like the whole vlogging thing, like I'm just not. So y'all not gonna get a Thanksgiving vlog. If y'all want to see, y'all could go back and look at my previous like Thanksgiving vlog from like the previous year. But other than that, I'm not vlogging this year, y'all. I'm just not. But yeah, that's where we at. Look, yeah, it's giving rich girl vibes today. So, alright, so do a little bit of makeup and then talk. So I'm not going to talk while I'm doing my makeup because my voice is just not, yeah. So this for my edges. Y'all, so when I brush up like the back of my hair, I use like a dual mirror. I mean, not a dual mirror, but a second mirror to see the back. Make sure that ain't no grandmas hanging out back there. Yeah, I'm just not talking. I'm just gonna mute it and speed it up.
Hi guys. I know you guys want to get ready with me because my outfit is way more fleet than her.
Oh my god, they did not ask to
Look at this shirt I got on right now.
They did not ask to
But I might go with this one. You see this? I think this is like so much better because like the texture of this one, it's like really so much better. Okay? Like this is what I'm doing. Alright. See you guys later. Where I inspire your desire to be great!
Oh, why are you mocking me, fathead? Hey y'all, so I just wanted to sprinkle some motivation in this video, y'all, because I did not get to talk about what I wanted to talk about, but here we are. It's all good, y'all. It's all good. I hope y'all had an amazing Thanksgiving, but the best lesson I got from filming this video is no matter how you feel, no matter what situation you're in, get up, look your best, do your best, try your best, put your best foot forward no matter what. That's what I had to do this day, y'all. As I said, I couldn't talk because I was sick, and here we are. So y'all still getting a video in spite of me not feeling my best. So no matter what, just always do your best, okay? Oh my god, can you get out, please?
I went with this shirt, guys, because I like it better. It brings out my eyelashes and my eyebrows better.
Got a brush like this. You know what I'm saying? Because if you gotta look clean, you can't look dirty. You can't look clean, you can't look dirty. You know what I'm saying? I use Uncle Jimmy's. That is the best one. Like, moisturizer hair relaxer. It smells so good. It smells so good. Okay? Alright, that's it. I'll be back.
Yes, you just throw me off. You keep coming in here.
I use Rue 21, like this little cheap cologne, but it smells good though.
Alright, y'all, I'm freaking done. Okay, y'all, I'm done getting dressed. I need to put my shoes on. I'm gonna show y'all my bag I'm wearing. I look so cute. Okay. And I gotta get out of here, so I'll probably just talk to y'all when I come back, because this video has been going for a super long time, but y'all see it. So I decided to go with gold accessories because that's what's in this bag, and then of course pink fur on pink fur, period. And then I got this dress on, you know, gotta show the body a little bit, then, you know, put that on so they know what time it is. And then I got this on, and of course makeup, pretty natural. Oh, I forgot to put highlights over my brows, damn it. All right, I'm gonna do that, but y'all, I'm done getting dressed. This is my outfit, and not these shoes, of course. I mean, I low-key feel like wearing them, but yeah, that's it, y'all. I look so fucking cute, like super cute. Anyways, I'm just filming when I come back home. Let me just say that. I don't feel like filming right now, but that's it. Hey y'all, so by the time I got home it was super duper late, so there was absolutely no way your girl was gonna film and wrap this video up. But here is like the finished look, the pictures of my completed outfit. As y'all can see, my cute little socks and my shoes or whatever. Yes, your girl was styling and profiling, okay? Don't play with her, she is not one of them. I'm just kidding y'all, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving, an amazing Thanksgiving, because I sure did. So I'ma see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Bye.